Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we are going to begin the dance workshop. We are going to be working on the Sternpolka.
Get the accordion. Get your accordion.
You're doing so good. You're doing so good.
You should play, unless you...
I'll need your help for this. Okay.
You should play.
Okay, so basic walkthrough. Grab girls. Go grab girls.
Why the what?
Grab girls. Knucklehead. Dun, 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 dun.
Yes, probably.
So we're going to walk through it.
I found a girl.
Good.
I am a girl. Stage one is
Confirmed.
complete.
Awaiting instructions.
Grab a girl.
Barely.
It got warm in here.
Yeah, it is warm in here.
Okay, so you actually march on and you get into the standard circle. The startup of it is a little bit different because it goes from the circle directly out into the drayer into the plottler. From there, so grab your partners. Come on. Come on.
Eric,
Come on.
Eric, Evie,
Come on.
come on.
So,
So we're going to be in the circle already?
yes,
We've already gotten into our circle.
we can skip the march on.
Okay.
We're doing the Sternpolka. Well, we're teaching.
We're going to teach you. So, we've already marched on, we're in a circle. So, getting into the ready position in the circle, guys turn out the girls, girls go into their tray. From there, guys, it's the Ombos Polka shoe plottler. So, it pretty much, everyone knows that one, everyone comfortable with that one for the most part? Little bit. Chris, music. So, from the turnout. Turnout. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Guys go in a circle, girls stray in a circle. When you get to your partner, pick her up. And it goes into a drayer, not a waltz. So it's a two-step. 1, 2, 1, 2. From there, okay, Chris, thank you. From there, it's a single turn. Ladies go to the inside of the circle, hold on to the guy's thumbs. Guys,
Pinkies.
pinkies.
Which way do we go?
We go to the left.
All right, what finger am I using?
Pinkies,
His thumb.
grab his thumbs.
Okay. Ladies don't connect, right?
No.
No. And then we go to the left.
In time with the music.
In time with the music, which isn't playing at the moment.
That's okay.
And you do this for, what is it, three measures?
I don't know. Hold
Pinkies.
his thumbs.
Hold his thumbs.
Rudy's thumbs.
There you go. Hang loose.
Hang loose.
I like the spirit. Hang loose. Yeah.
From there, the ladies release the guy's thumbs, and the guys go into a little window with your partner.
Window? This kind of a window? Or this kind of a window?
No. So it's a little window, and you go in a circle in time with the music. From there, it goes into a big window. So ladies, drape your apron hand across your belly.
No. Left hand.
Left hand.
Yeah, left hand.
Left hand across your belly. Guys, just grab there and turn her into you to make the big window.
And then you go in that direction.
And then you go in that direction.
Until you hear the stomp.
From here, this is the fun part. Guys, let go of your hand at the bottom, take your right arm and launch her. And then it goes right back into the Ambos Polka shoe plottler again. Okay, so Chris, from the very beginning, music,
No march.
no march. And turn her out. Stomp, stomp, stomp. And we're all off time with the music. Guys in a circle, ladies stray. And pick up your partners into a drayer. 1, 2. Hang loose. To your left. Big windows. Am I missing a figure? I'm missing a figure.
Switch. The guys start out on the inside and then the girls, and then you switch.
No, girls start off on the inside.
And then somehow we switch that part.
I guess. Oh, good, you're here. Nice of you to join us. Hi.
Hey, those are mine.
Yeah,
What am I doing?
you're demonstrating with Oma.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Without the music, all the way through from the beginning. So, ready position. So it's that way. Plottler, hang loose. Little window, big window. Plus the drayer, and then back into the plottler. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
This part?
Those on the inside, after the stomp, you stop, and then you rotate the other direction.
Okay, so that was the figure. So, so I don't see you out here. Drag your wife out here. So after or before the little window, the guys rotate with the girls, so the guys are on the inside. And you continue going to your left. The guy keeps going to his left. Always to the left. Yes. All right, so from the ready positions. And guys, turn out your partners. Into the plottler. Ladies dray, guys go in a circle. Weiter dray, weiter dray. When you get to your partner, pick her up. pick them up and it goes into a drayer, not a waltz. 2-step. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then from that figure, you do the half turnout with the ladies on the inside. Guys hang loose, pinkies and thumbs. And go to your left. Dun, 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 dun. And then, dun, dun, stomp, stomp. Guys to the inside, pinkies and thumbs, keep going to the left. Dun, 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 dun. Little window. Then big window. There you go. So it goes from your pinkies, you reach there, and turn that way. But you keep your right hand up, and you just kind of reach around this way to connect, and that's the big window.
Okay, and then when you're doing this, then we spin to the left.
You keep going, and then from there, you let go with this hand, and then
Goes out.
turn her out. You turn her out with, no, because it goes little windows into the big window. No, there you go.
He's got me confused now.
And then from there, you just take the top hand and bring it all the way down to spinner.
I think so.
You might want to take the hat off.
It's easier without the hat and the big one.
Just taller than me.
Can I switch from that outside to the inside? Is there, I think they go counterclockwise or clockwise?
So to their right. Because they go from here, spin to their right, and then just keep going to their left. Okay. So when we reverse from the hang loose, you guys just turn to your right with your partner, and then keep going to your left. All right? All right, let's try it with the music. Actually, Fred, since you're not doing anything, turn the mic on for the music.
What is waiting for?
He's turning on the mic. Yep. All right. You guys ready? Guys ready? You guys ready? Yeah. All right.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4.
With the music. Pick him up. Dreher, 1, 2. Not a waltz, just a Dreher, in place. It's a 2-step. It's a,
You're going to need to go through the flogger with the guys.
okay. Hang loose, guys to the left, girls to the inside. Reverse. Little window. Big window. And turn her out. Slow down, guys, with the music. Guys to the right, get ready to pick up your partners. One, two, one, two, one. Girls to the inside, guys outside. Switch. Little windows. Big windows. And turn them out. Pick them up. 2, 1, 2, 1. In place. You don't move. It's just in place. And Schlush figure.
No, wait.
There we go.
Performance ready, let's go. The main point is, at least for the guys, I know it gets hard to hear when there's a lot of people. Try to find someone that looks like they're confident, they're on beat, try to follow them. That's only if you can't hear the music. Which means, this is called Sternpolka, right?
Yes. Ready to try it again?
Can we go over the plot real quick?
Yeah. John. Guys, to the inside. We're going to go through the plottler. Can you play the...
You ready? I can see it.
Put on music first, Chris. Let's try that music.
Stomp.
So on this leg, it's always going to be 3. Syncopate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
I can't give you on that part.
Okay.
Oh. So I have to go back and you go in front.
Yes.
2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that's the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Start with left.
So right,
All on the right side. It's all on the right. Right, left, back.
Yeah.
Right, left, back.
I wasn't 100% sure of the right.
Oh yeah.
I always get confused on that extra.
Yeah, you always like to go over here, which also works.
It takes time, and lots of practice. But once you get it down, it is a sight to see.
That's it. You got it. Right.
Try it with the music. Hang on. 3, 4. 2, 4.
Left? No, left hand. Back, left, and then 1, 2, good, front, 3, 4.
There you go. All right, let's try it with the music. Oh, now you come back.
Yeah, man. Shit.
Need a partner for this one. Your better 3/4 is already spoken for. You could grab Fred.
We're essentially the same age.
You ready, boy? Yes. Thank you for asking. You're welcome. One more time.
Stop.
Just remember 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then let him go.
Okay, cool.
Ready?
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Guys outside, girls inside. To the left. Reverse. Little window. Big window. And turn her out. Smile, Megan. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. That was impressive. No, Plattler again. Yeah?
Now it
Yeah.
started sweating.
Actually, I need to do what you did and roll these up.
That was much easier. And now we're released.
Yep.
We're released.
Yep. And then for the turnout, you just let go with that hand.
And then she swings back.
You go the other way with her because you should be spinning her into her dray.
Okay. And that's my hook.
So you go from this, well, first you go from here to the inside, to the little windows, to the big window. And then from there, once you do one more rotation from there, you let go and go the other way with her. That way you're turning her into her dray.
I always turn.
Well, I thought I had to swing this way.
You bring this hand up and around. So it goes from, so you're going from this figure, you just let go with this hand, bring this hand down and around.
Oh, okay.
And it puts her right into her dray. Okay?
Okay, think so? I think so.
Questions?
It'll still, yeah, there'll be more questions as we go.
Okay.
What else are we gonna do?
Breathe for a bit, let the air kick in.
I was gonna go outside with my son and practice inside.
I remember the paddling part, but we need you.
Well, the part I get confused is when I'm going like this. Oh, wait, actually, I go 1,
It's
2, 3.
It's your left hand to your thigh and your right hand to your foot.
Oh, right.
So
back
it's
together.
yes. So it's that to that to that, and then
So when you first start out, if you stomp,
so stomp, double hit,
back, front.
It goes into the.
and then
Oh, I see. So just
It goes into that and then it repeats itself.
so I'm going this,
back, front,
and then
right leg.
front. 1, 2, 3. That's the part I have a hard time with is when you restart.
So, easiest way to explain it is just count it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. In the back, forward.
Knee,
Oh, knee.
knee, and then forward.
Foot, knee, foot, knee.
So be back, front.
You're doing the things as you get to the back of your foot, and then you're
Keep working with him. I'm gonna go see if anyone else has questions. Questions, comments, concerns? Questions, comments, concerns?
Why is the sky blue?
For the turnout,
Yeah.
so you go from the big window. Oh, this is so much easier with someone that's actually my height. So
me, I agree.
you just let go with this hand, drop and swing and spin her right into it. And then as you're doing that, you spin and face in for the plottler.
On the first connection when the guys are outside, and we switch to the inside, which direction do we turn?
Just so you're going from here, just
Over your left. Okay.
and then continue on with your left. Questions, comments, concerns?
I cleared it up.
Questions, comments, concerns? Anyone?
Oh, I guess a question is, when we have the pinky and then we need to spin the girl off, at the once we are about
So
to
you go
start the-
from the big window.
yeah, big window, and then I think we have to then.
So-
it'd be
wait, big. Do you want to do small window then big
well, yeah,
window?
like that. I guess okay, like that, and
So
then,
you just let go with this hand,
okay.
and you just drop this hand down,
Oh, okay, cool.
and that's the turnout.
Okay, perfect. That makes sense.
Because exactly, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Because
So,
the
if I can try that again one more time.
this is almost a Chiemgau dance.
Okay. So then.
So when you're launching her into that, it's actually going to put her in almost time with the double time drain, but we don't do that.
We're just talking about how it puts you into your spin.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
Not a problem.
Oh, I think I was always in the wrong, ended at the wrong position. That didn't
Well,
work.
for
Yeah.
from going from the pinky window, it's literally just
That. Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. And then are we supposed to be rotating when we're doing that, like walking in place?
You just spin in place.
Okay, cool.
And it's not a waltz, it's a drayer. The whole thing stays in a two-step for
Okay,
the most
cool.
part. Questions? Smile. All right.